Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and I've got a super quick and easy tip for you guys for the Christmas season to create some trim to use as embellishment on your Christmas projects. I'm going to show you guys how to put two Ric Racs together. I've got red and white here, so we're going to get a peppermint kind of look. And I love these quick and easy projects. During the Christmas season, I love to really add that extra touch to gifts and packages and things like that. But we're always in a hurry in the holiday season. There's so much hustle and bustle going on that when I can do a quick and easy project and still add that special touch, that's what I'm looking for. I try to do quick and easy, but I still want it to be worth the effort and really add that special touch. And I think this project does that. So I've just cut off a length of each of my Ric Rac here, and we're just going to twist those around each other to give it that peppermint look. So I'm going to line them up. If you guys can see here, I want my mountains and valleys opposite of each other so that that kind of interlocks right like that right there. So I'm going to twist, and you'll have to hold this together a little bit at the top until you get it started, and then just wrap those over with every mountain and valley. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit, because I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to wrap that around. Like I said, you need to hold on a little bit until you get some started, or if you wanted to, you could just tack those together with a little bit of hot glue in the beginning, whatever gets those to stay for you. You may want to do that in the long run anyway. So I'm just wrapping so that the mountain interlocks with the valley of the opposite color. And as you go along, I kind of have to pull this firmly. It kind of wants to lump up on you a little bit, and that's okay. It's going to do that because you've got these curves kind of fighting against each other. So you can see there, it's not behaving too well right there. So you just kind of give it a pinch and a twist and just sort of insist a little bit that it do what you tell it to, and eventually it will. And after you get the whole thing twisted all the way down, you can run an iron over it if you want to make them lay flat, or just run it through a hair straightener. I've got a little mini straightener that I keep in my craft room for straightening ribbons and things like that that may be crimpled up in my scrap bin where I keep all of those. So something like that would work very well here. So you just continue twisting that for however long of a piece of trim that you're trying to create. Just cut your Ric Racs to about that length. And you really don't have to do the red and white at Christmas time. You could do red and green if you wanted to for Christmas. You could do other colors for other times of the year. I just really like that peppermint look. I think it's very festive and a lot of fun. And one thing I think would really be an extra touch, maybe take it up another notch. I've seen that giant Ric Rac. I need to try to get me some of that. If I can get to the craft store before the holiday stuff all sells out, I would love to try a peppermint giant trim. So once you get down a little further, you see it's wanting to twist and kind of start to curl around. Just kind of pinch. I'm just kind of pinching with my fingers to kind of flatten those together, and then just kind of give it a finger press. And what you end up with is that diagonal sort of peppermint stripe, but you also still keep that kind of scalloped look, and I think that's really cute. This would be a fun trim to use on your Christmas decor projects or gift packages. This would be really cute on a gift in a jar. You could use it on paper crafting projects like gift tags or cards, scrapbook pages. You could even use this as a hair tie or jewelry, just about anything. You could even make a keychain or a lanyard out of this. That would be really cute as well. But really the sky's the limit. You can do anything you want to do with this trim. And now I'm just going to touch a little bit to the ends. And you really don't need any glue all along the length of it. Just at the very ends is going to be all you need. I'm going to come back to the beginning and go ahead and glue that as well. Trim up the difference there at the very end. And now I'm going to take my little mini hair straightener and just run that along to kind of take the twist out of that a little bit. And I try to go kind of quickly. I don't want to burn my ribbon. If you're just ironing it over it with a regular iron, you could put a pressing cloth and then you won't have to worry about that. So that's all there is to it. I thought that was a very quick and easy way to come up with a little peppermint trim to add to your packages or really anything you can think of. So you guys leave me a comment below and let me know if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also, follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to those in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.